See, I don't even know your motives. But money keep it going. When I'm in the league, man, I swear your time's up.
What's going on YouTube? Grassnectar in the house. Grassnectar in the house. What's going on YouTube? Grassnectar in the house. So today, it's Friday, and just got out of the 9 to 5 gig, still on my way home. I'm in Skokie, Illinois. Traffic, construction, everything, man. Skokie, Illinois. I'm on my way to Round Lake, Illinois to do a little spring cleaning estimate on a brand new client I have never met. So done with one job, on to the next. You know, the thing about my situation that's a little bit different is most people start a lawn care business because they're sick of their 9 to 5, they hate their boss, or they're not happy with something, they're not making enough money. That's actually the opposite for me. Man, I have a awesome job that pays me well and that I love doing. And honestly, without that job, I wouldn't have the confidence to be where I'm at right now. What I mean by that is, all my career, I've always been in entry-level positions. You know, like, sandwich maker, stocker, things like that. When I got this job here, it's the first job that I actually promoted to, I went from a customer service representative to what they call a team lead, assistant manager, and I'm at the management position right now. So with that confidence, I was able to buy a house. Not with the confidence, but that job gave me a lot of confidence where now I'm able to start a business. But because of this job, I was able to buy a house last year, and up until last year, I have not cut a lawn, I haven't done anything with lawn care related at all. I've always lived in apartments where, you know, we had association or places that, you know, do the lawn care for us. But when I moved out to my house, when, it was springtime, I had to cut the grass, and I honestly didn't know how or didn't know what to do. So I went on YouTube and I found the lawn care community. And honestly, I love cutting grass and love the community. And from that grew Grassnectar. You know, it's a little project, a little side hustle that I got going on, and it's been doing well. You know, I don't know if it's well enough where I can quit my regular gig. It's gonna have to go really well in order for me to do that. So for now, I'm just doing it as a little part-time hustle. And come along with me. We'll do a little spring cleaning estimate, and we'll get there, and we'll see what she says and see what I'm going to charge and all that. I'll show you the property and all that good stuff, right?
I think about
going to Paris.
I don't know how
I would get there.
I wish that you
Could understand why my sky isn't blue.
don't forget. Don't forget. Don't forget.
What's going on YouTube? So a little update on this spring cleanup estimate number 3. This lady just texted me and she said, you know, I got stuck at work, I'm not able to come in, can we reschedule for Tuesday or Thursday? You know, I honestly took off just a little bit early off work to make this estimate happen. So today, if I can make it today, it would have been the best for me. So I kind of said, hey, if it's okay with you, let me just walk over the property and let me shoot you over an estimate. She said, okay, no problem. So I'm actually going to do that, and I'm gonna walk over the property. I normally like the customer to be part of the property, just because, you know, I think it's a major plus that they meet me, that they see me, they build that relationship with me right off the bat. Plus, we can discuss what they really want done. You know, when you talk to someone, you can see what they really care about, what they want done, you know, what plants they like, just every little detail. You just have to be very able to listen. Listening is key. So now I'm pretty much going to do this estimate just to do it, but it's kind of a time crunch thing where I don't have time to do anything else but this. So let me see if I have any questions. I will request a second follow-up appointment, but if not, come along with me and we'll see what we got.
My sky isn't blue.
Don't forget. Don't forget. Don't forget.
Right there, bro. That's the house right there. Let me send her a quick little text message. Looks like this customer right there got some mulch. Everyone's doing spring cleaning around here.
Don't forget.
So must be the thing to do, right? You know, one person does it, everyone's gotta do it.
Don't forget.
Alright, so let me send her a quick message that I'm here. And then we'll take a look at the property, alright? That's it. That's the house.
I think about
Going to Paris,
I don't know how.
I would get there.
I wish that you
Could understand why my sky isn't blue.